We've got inmates dying of suicide, we've got inmates dying of overdose, we've got inmates dying of medical neglect.
Stacy Davis and Nicole Gaunt are upset. The two are part of Java, a nonprofit that advocates, in part, for inmates dealing with what they call horrific conditions in the Allen County Jail.
The daily conditions in the current jail are not improving.
5 inmates have died in the jail in the past year, 3 of which were suicides. Davis and Gaunt say these deaths were preventable, and now
we have decided to send a letter to Judge Lichty.
In this letter addressed to the federal judge in charge of the case against the jail, they outline several concerns, including the number of recent suicides and the level of medical care. The county contracts a medical provider called QCC, which stands for Quality Correctional Care.
Allen County taxpayers will be paying them, QCC, $3.1 million in 2024.
I spoke to the director of mental health at QCC over the phone. She says they are following the policies in place and tells me there's always a need for more mental health professionals at jails all across the country. She says it comes down to how much money the county has to pay. In the letter, Java points to additional problems: a deadly drug overdose and an inmate fight. In February, an inmate, Taylor Hunt, was accused of dealing fentanyl to another inmate, Stephen Perry, who died in the jail in February. Court documents say Hunt was later accused of beating a fellow inmate set to testify against him after they were placed in the same cell.
There should have been a keep separate order in place.
Davis says these types of issues are internal problems that a new jail won't solve.
They need to be taken care of right now. They needed to be taken care of 2 years ago.
Davis and Gaunt hope this letter can bring some solutions.
Whether he has been made aware or not, he's kind of in a position of, if you didn't know, you should have.